Good afternoon everyone. Today topic is periodic function in trigonometry. Let f of x be a function. This is defined on f from E tends to R. Here E is the domain. E is always subset or equal to R. Now condition is what? F of x plus p equal to f of x. ఈ condition కనుక satisfy అయితే f of x is the period where p is the period of f of x. P is the period of f of x. Where p is what? P is the smallest positive integer. That is smallest positive integer. Example 1. See here. F of x is our assumption sin x. Sin x period is what? F of our assumption x plus, here p is what? Smallest positive integer. 1, 2, 3, 4. F of x plus 1. Sin of x plus 1. X plus 1. Sin of x plus 2. X plus 2. Sin of x plus 3. X plus 3. Our up to write down pi by 2. 90 write down. 90. Pi by 2 value 90. Sin of x plus 90 equal to f of x plus pi by 2. X plus replace here sin x. Sin of x plus pi by 2. Here sin 90 plus theta. We know sin 90 plus theta what? Sin changes to cos. Cos pi by 2. Second coordinate positive. But f of x is sin x. F of x plus is cos x. But both are not equal. Then pi by 2 is not a period of f of x. Pi by 2 is not a period of sin x. Now 91, 92, 93 up to 180 write down. X plus pi. Pi is 180. Sin of x plus pi. Sin of 180 plus theta. Which coordinate? Sin of 180 plus third coordinate. Third coordinate sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta. But here f of x is sin x. F of x plus p is minus sin x. Sin x not equal to sin x. Next, trial and error method. This is x plus 180, 181 up to 270 write down. 270, 3 pi by 2. Sin of x plus 3 pi by 2 equal to what? Sin cos of sin 270 plus theta. Which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate sin negative cos theta. Next, not equal to sin x not equal to minus cos x. F of x plus 270 up to 360 write down. 360, 2 pi. Sin of 2 pi plus x. That is called sin of 360 plus theta. First coordinate. First coordinate all are positive. Sin does not change. Sin theta. F of x equal to sin x. F of x plus 2 pi is also a sin x. Sin x period is what? 2 pi. Therefore, f of x plus 2 pi is what? F of x. Got it? F of x plus 2 pi equals sin x. Sin x is f of x. 2 pi is. F of x period is what? 2 pi. Therefore, sin x period is 2 pi. Similarly, cos x. Cos 90 plus theta. Sin theta not equal to cos x. Cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta not equal to cos x. Cos of 360 sin. Cos of 360 plus theta. Cos of 360 plus theta. Cos theta. Therefore, f of x equal cos x. Cos x period is 2 pi. Sin x, cos x, same procedure. Next again, f of x equal to tan x. Here, tan of 90 plus theta. Tan of 90 plus theta. Tan changes to 90 changes to cot x. Tan second coordinate negative, but tan x is not equal to minus cot x. Next, tan of 180 plus theta pi plus x does not change tan x, but third coordinate positive, but tan x equal to tan x. Understood? Tan x equal to tan x. When period is pi, f of x, pi is the period of f of x. Pi is the period of tan x, because f of x plus pi equal to f of x. Got it. Therefore, tan x period is what? Pi. Again, cot x. F of x equal to cot x. F of x plus 1. Positive integers 1, 2, 3 up to 90, write down 90 degrees. F of x plus 90. Tan of x plus 90. Sorry, cot here. Cot of 90. Cot of 90 plus theta minus tan. But the cot x is not equal to minus tan x. Next, cot of f of x plus 180. Cot of x plus 180. Cot of 180 plus theta does not change. Cot theta x plus pi positive equal to cot x equal to cot x. Therefore, cot x period is what? Pi. Period is what? Smallest positive integer. But pi is period. Okay. Again, when will come? Cot x. Pi. 2 pi. Cot of x plus pi. Cot of 270 does not exist. Cot of x plus 360, write down 2 pi. Cot of x plus 2 pi. Cot of 360 plus theta, first coordinate all are positive. 2 pi does not change. Cot theta is cot theta. But cot x period is also here pi, here 2 pi. Here pi, 2 pi, next 3 pi, 4 pi. These are all existed. But here smallest integer what? Pi, 2 pi or 3 pi and so on. Smallest is pi. Cot x period is pi. This is periodicity. Only trigonometry, tan, cot, cosecant, secant remaining write down. F of x equal to cos power 4x. Cos power 4x period is what? This type of questions don't do convert. Cos square x whole square. Again cos square x formula in terms of cos 2x. 1 minus convert to whole square. Don't do a minus b whole square. Don't do conversion. Direct by using apply formula. F of x plus p equal to f of x. This condition is what? This is periodic condition definition. F of x plus p equal to f of x condition satisfied. That is p is the period of f of x. Where p is the smallest positive integer. Don't take 0, 0. Don't take negatives. Only integers. No fractions. Here f of x plus cos terms. Cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant. These trigonometric ratios will appear by using only 0, 90 degrees, 180, 270, 360. This is better. X plus 90 degrees write down. Cos of x, cos power 4x can be written as cos x whole power 4. Cos of x is x plus pi by 2 whole power 4. Equal to what? Cos of 90 plus theta, second coordinate negative, negative power 4, positive. Cos changes to sin, sin power 4x, but not equal to cos power 4x. Pi by 2 is not a period of cos power 4x. F of x plus pi, cos x whole power 4 cos of x plus pi whole power 4. Cos 180 plus theta, third coordinate negative, negative power 4 positive. Cos does not change, cos power 4x. X plus pi equal to cos power 4x. F of x is cos power 4x equal to f of x. F of x plus pi equal to f of x. Therefore, pi is the period of f of x. That is the final answer. F of x equal to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x and so on n square x. Period is what? Here, first simplification, tan of x common here, x. Here 1 square, 4 plus here 2 square, 9 3 square plus and so on, here dashed plus n square. Here tan of x of sum of the squares of natural number formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is f of x. F of x equal to tan of ax formula. Tan of ax. Tan ax period is what? Tan ax period is tan ax period pi by mod a. But here tan of f of x period is what? Pi by mod a is what? This one. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 6 pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. That is final answer. Here question number 8. F of x equals sin square x plus 2 cos square x. But here two functions are there. Separate periodicity find out. Sin square x period is what? That is g of x, right? G of x equal to sin square x. By definition of period is g of x plus pi by 2 first. Check out. Sin square of 90 plus theta. X plus 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta, cos square theta. Yet negative second coordinate. 90 plus theta, sin positive. Sin square theta equal to cos square theta. But sin square x not equal to cos square x. G of x plus pi, 180 degrees. Sin square of 180 plus x. Sin square, third coordinate negative. Negative square equal positive. Sin square x. But sin square x equal to sin square x. Sin square x period is g of x. Period is pi. But again, here cos square x. That is h of x, right? Cos square x. H of x plus pi by 2. Cos square of 90 plus pi by 2. Cos 90 changes to sin square x, but not equal to cos square x. H of x plus pi. H of cos square of pi plus x, 180 plus theta. Third coordinate negative, negative square positive. Pi does not change, cos square x. Same, both are equal. Therefore, cos square x period is pi. H of x period is pi. Therefore, LCM of pi comma this function period pi, this function period pi. LCM of pi comma pi is pi. Period of this function is pi. Next, question number 9. Find cosine function whose period is 7. Cosine function whose period is 7. Cosine function period is 7 given. Cosine function 2 pi by mod a value is given 7. But a find out 2 pi by 7 equal to mod a. Okay, mod A. Here A equal to what? Plus or minus 2 pi by 7. A got it. But cos x period, cos x, A is got it. I am writing here cos x, cos ax period I wrote here, cos ax period. Here cos ax, A is what? Plus or minus 2 pi by 7x. 2 pi by 7x x period is 7. Which function period is 7? Cos of plus or minus 2 pi by 7x period is 7. But cos of plus or minus here, cos of plus theta, cos of minus theta, cos theta, cos of plus theta, cos theta. Here cos of 2 pi by 7x period is 7. This is the final answer. Please make a note. Question number 1, f of x equal to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7, periodic function. This period is what? Actually, this is in the form of, here cos x not, cos of ax plus b form. Actually, cos x period is what? Cos x period is 2 pi. But cos of x quotient here, cos of ax plus b or ax period is what? 2 pi by, here x quotient what? A is positive, always positive, right? Mod A. But here f of cos of ax plus b form here, cos of ax plus b period is what? F of x period, f of x here, this one, period is 2 pi by mod A. A is what? 3. Yes, second observation. Here tan 5x, tan x period is pi. Tan x period is pi. But here, this is in the form of f of x equal to tan of ax plus b form. Same, tan of ax plus b period is pi a. But x quotient is what? A. Mod A, right on. Suppose minus a plus a. Here we want tan of 5x period. Pi by mod A. A is what? 5. Here same procedure. Here cos of 5x plus 9 by 5. Here simple write x, separate write and 4x by 5 plus 9 by 5. Here also cos x period we know 2 pi. Cos of x plus b period 2 pi by mod x quotient here. Here f of x period is here 2 pi. Cos x period 2 pi. But x quotient is what? 4 by 5. That is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 pi by 2. Yes, 5 pi by 2, the cos x period. This period is 5 pi by 2. Yes, observe here simple. F of x equal to sin x. But sin of ax plus b we know. Mod of cos ax plus b 2 pi by mod a. Tan ax plus b 2 pi by mod a. Cos same. But here mod of sin x. Sin x period we know. Sin x period 2 pi. Sin ax period 2 pi by mod a. But mod of sin x period. By this question, by using formula. Which formula? Periodic formula what? F of x plus p equal to f of x. This condition satisfied. The p is the period of f of x. But p is what? P trigonometric values, degrees write down. F of x plus pi by 2 mod of sin of x plus pi by 2 equal to what? Mod of sin 90 plus theta cos theta But f of x is mod sin x. F of x plus pi by 2 is mod cos x. Both are not equal. Pi by 2 is not a period of sin x, mod sin x. Now, second x plus pi write down. Pi by 2 తర్వాత next number pi. Mod of sin of x plus pi write down. 180 plus theta. Second coordinate sin positive or negative? Positive. Sorry, x plus pi. Third coordinate lo sin negative sin x. But here mod of sin x is sin x. Minus of sin x is sin x. F of x plus pi equal to sin x. But f of x is mod sin x. Both are equal. Therefore, mod sin x period is what? Period is 2 pi. Sorry, pi. This is the answer.